Hi everyone, I'm Rick from Laticrete Philippines. We're excited to introduce something new and exciting today. This is the brand new Laticrete SPECTRALOCK PREMIIUM NS, the grout you've always trusted, now even better. We've taken everything you love about the SPECTRALOCK NS Grout and reimagined it. A modernized look, sharper lines, and a design that speaks to the future of construction. With brand new icons, we've made it simpler than ever to understand the key benefits at a glance. Quick, intuitive, and clear. And with an easy-to-scan QR code, access to installation guides, product details, and support is just one scan away. But that's not all. Laticrete SPECTRALOCK PREMIIUM NS now offers 12 stunning colors, 2 of which are brand new, giving you more ways to bring your projects to life. More options, more style, and the same high-performance grout that professionals have relied on for years. Laticrete SPECTRALOCK PREMIIUM NS. New look, same unbeatable quality.